Hey folks, this is Dave. I wanted to welcome you to video number 6. We're going to get into the traffic, okay? And as I said, this whole idea of this 10-part series is to show you how to get traffic completely organic. Now, one of the main services that I use is Pinterest. Well, I wouldn't really call it a service, more of a social media. But is it a social media? Pinterest is actually like a search engine, okay? And it's a very powerful tool for a blog, very powerful tool for blogs. Now, I know a lot of people, they might want to use Facebook, they might want to use Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. I don't use any of those accounts for blogging, for getting traffic, because here's the reason why. Those types of services, they're basically I call them, you got to pay to use. You got to pay to use those services. So you got to use Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, any of those type of social media. You got to pay for ads. Google search traffic, solo ads. I mean, I don't like to use paid traffic. There are a couple of paid traffic sources that I like, which is not a part of this video series, because I want to show you that you can actually make money with organic traffic. So the first service we're going to talk about here is Pinterest. And I got to quit calling it a service. The first, the first social media search engine we're going to talk about is Pinterest. Now, we're going to use the blog Snap Online Business because we've already got, posts and everything on there. So it's all ready to go. So what I'm going to do here now is go over to Pinterest. And what you want to do is you want to set up an account. So you're going to click on sign up. Okay. And then at the very bottom, create a business account. Okay. So create a business account, put your email, your password, put your age, not a big deal, and then hit create account. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into an existing account. I set up this, let's see here, I'm going to log into a different one here. Okay, perfect. So I set up one for Snap Online Business about a week ago. I've already got 107 monthly viewers and I've got 14 followers. So it's just getting started, okay? But when you first get that account set up, what you're gonna wanna do now is click on settings and on edit profile, put your name of your blog, create a username. I just did SnapBiz. Your profile, you want to put something in here that just describes you. I think you have 180 words or 180 characters, sorry. But I did Snap Online Business was started as a way for you to learn at the Snap so you can build your online business. And then what you want to do is you're going to put your URL, but not right there. If you want to put an email address in there, you can. Okay. But go into account settings. Okay. And I don't know, it came out as non-binary. We'll put this here. Alrighty, and hit save. And then the main thing here is you want to do is you want to go ahead and hit claim. And now I've already got the website claimed, but I'll show you what you do is you grab this code right here, click to copy. Okay, and then you're going to come back down here to your website. Make sure that I need some water. Okay. And then what you want to do here is, so right there, you're going to get that code. Come back to here. Go to add inserter. Click on this little deal here. And the header, paste your header code. Okay, and you're going to put that in there. Now I've already got this site already taken care of, so I'm not too worried about it. But you can go ahead and put that code in right there. Okay, where did they put that? There's other places to put the code here too. I'm just trying to figure out where they did it here. Okay. Anyway, so no big deal. But you can do it in the header of that. Hit save settings. Okay, also make sure that's turned on. Then come back here, hit refresh, and it should show you that it's claimed. Okay, all right, perfect. Now come on back here You're gonna basically put a picture in here. Oh, not right there. And so I'm gonna hit refresh. I want to download the pin code. Excuse me. Click on settings here. Oh, here we go. Change right there. So put yourself a photo. Now I just used the logo for that. Okay. And then what you want to do here is you want to come down and you want to start create. The first thing you want to do is you want to create a board. Okay. And okay. So if you click on saved and you want to hit that plus sign right there and you want to create a board. Okay. I've got a few boards already, and what you want to do is, so maybe what I'm going to do is just create a board and I will call it business ideas. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to add 25 to 35 of other people's pins. I call it repinning onto your blog. So just start going like this here. Okay, and 13 things that sell crazy online. Excuse me. Okay, and you want to do about 25 to 35 of these a day for each. Well, work on one board a day. Okay, 13 things. Okay, and you're just going to add some things down here. Okay, and this is called repinning, folks. So when you're repinning, what you're doing is you're making sure that you're adding other people's content on there, because the way Pinterest works, it's the search engine. So you want to make sure you're adding other people's content on here. And then I'm going to show you how to add your own pins here in a second as well. Okay. Okay. And don't get too crazy with it. I mean, just look at something. If it looks like it's the right category, go for it. Okay. I'm going to hit done. Okay. And then just click on that here. So click on, these are the ones that I've created, saved. I've got business ideas. I've only got 22 pins. I've got extra money, earn extra money online, affiliate marketing, email marketing, SEO traffic, blogging, e-commerce. So, you know, I come in here, let's say, and I want to work on this blog here, on this board here. So I'll click on that one right there, and I'll click on more ideas. Okay, and I will be like how to find drop shipping products, drop shipping. So this is anything e-commerce. Okay. And just scroll down and just try to do a few of them here. You know, as I said, 25 to 35 a day, you want to come in and do repinning. And don't turn this into a really hard job, because this is so simple to do. But make sure you, and you can do it on your mobile. Like what I'll do is I'll be sitting there having my cup of coffee in the morning and I'll just start, you know, getting in there and clicking. That's all I do. Okay, and I'm not going to worry about too many more here. I'm going to come back up here. Okay, now as you're setting up the new Pinterest, you're going to have to verify your pin. You're going to have to verify your email address. That's not a problem. Okay, and then also one thing I wanted to let you know here too is if you want to, you know, you can use a Gmail address if you want, but if you want to set up your own email address, like you see, I have dave@snaponbusiness.com. Come on over to Namecheap. Guess what? You can click on email and you can buy an email. Okay, this is 84 cents a month. Now what'll happen here is you just need one mailbox so you could get email. Use a domain I already own with Namecheap. Okay, and then these are some of the domains that I have on this account. Just click whatever one you want. Okay. And then when you have, you can set up a different name if you want, a different email for your domain. But just getting started, you can use your Gmail account or, whatever, Yahoo, Proton Mail, whatever you use that for right now if you like. But if you're going to set up a business account, you know, go ahead and use your own one there. Either one for right now, it's up to you. But so now what I'm going to do here, so you've got your Pinterest account set up. What you eventually want to have is 10 different boards. Now this is a brand new Pinterest account. It's not even a week old. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 boards so far. And you want to make sure you do at least 25 to 35 repins every day on that board. Now, as you can see, the affiliate marketing board, earn extra money online, SEO traffic, blogging. I've been really doing a good chance of making sure I'm doing at least 25 to 35 a day. That's repinning, and that's going to start getting your brand out there. Now, for pinning, what you want to do, you'll go back to your blog post. Okay. And let's just say you're going to go here. Okay. What you're going to do is come down to the bottom. Now I've already created a pin. Okay. And I did that with Canva. So with Canva, you're going to come into Canva and you're going to hit create a design, Pinterest, and just put in there, because what do you do if you put in create a design? It's going to have all this. Just put in the search bar Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest pin. Click on that. It's going to pull you up the exact way you want it done. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do here, folks, is I'm going to sit and go, I'm going to add a heading. And I like to kind of put things up about here. I don't like to go right up to the top because I like to kind of leave some room. So I might kind of go like that there. Okay. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab this title here. So the title of the blog post. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to increase the size by a lot. Okay, perfect. I'm going to change the font. I don't like that font. Bold. Okay, no, I'm going to keep it unbolded. All right, perfect. And then what I'm going to do here is maybe I'm going to do white, and I'm going to do a background of black. Okay, perfect. And then what I'm going to do here now, what category is this here? So this is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to look for affiliate marketing. Okay, and all I did is put that on photos. And I'm going to find something that's really catchy. So maybe I'll do that there. Might bring this down a little bit. And, by all means, start looking for other things you can look at to really, I might put this on here. But I don't want to do too busy. But look at that. We got ourselves a pin. Okay. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to bring it. I'm going to save it. And then what I'm going to do here is down here at the very bottom of the post, I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to add media. Okay. Now I've already done that. So, but you're going to basically add media. Okay. So, and I'll show you what I mean here. So you're going to add media. You're going to upload the file, and then you're going to go ahead and save it. Okay. Now, when it's down here, you want to click on this. You want to go like that there. And you want to make sure that it's 400 by 600. So if you just do custom size and just type in 400, it'll automatically put the 600 in for you. Go ahead and hit update. And then that way, that's a good size. Okay. So now what you do is you're going to hit update. Okay. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to have a look at the blog post here. Oh, and one thing I wanted to show you here too is now you see how I've got this saved for Pinterest. You want to go to search and go Pinterest plugin. Okay. So now I'm on Chrome. So you want to go Pinterest save button. So I've already got this. See, it says remove, but you're going to just go ahead and get the Pinterest save button and just save it. Now I've already got it added, so no big deal. Once you have it, you'll see it up there. It's all you have to do. And then you come back to the post. Don't do it in the post, but do it when you click on the link. Come down here and it'll say save, but then it'll show you which board you want to do. Okay, and you can choose which board you want to use. So click on the board, hit save, and then it'll say you want to see it. Okay, then when you come back here, okay, hit refresh, it's going to show your pin right there. Now, if you want to see what the pin looks like, just click it on in the center. And that's what it did. It pulled in the name of the website, title, a little bit about the description. Okay. And so that works perfect. Okay. Now, what the nice thing about this is as you're adding other pins into the board, people are seeing your pins. Excuse me. Okay. And when they find your pin and they click on it, take a look at this. They end up to your blog. So that's what's creating you the traffic, folks, is your pinning. And you want to be doing anywhere between 1 and 5. Now, I realize in the beginning, 1 to 5 new content pieces per day might be a lot, but try at least 1. Okay. And don't think you got to do it every day. Maybe do 5 days a week, 4 days a week. All I'm trying to say is the more you do it, the better you're going to have. So I always say do anywhere between 1 to 5 new content pieces per day. And then, you know, create your pins right in Canva. Don't go getting them all made off other companies, stuff like that. You know, Canva is easy. You're going to find out very fast that you may want that Canva Pro subscription at $13.95 a month. It's really worth it because you get access to all the pro images, other things you can look at too. I don't work for Canva, so I'll let you decide if you want that. But that is, and I promise you folks, if you do this, you know, add 1 new content piece per day, you know, design a pin and then put that image at the bottom of the post, save it, come on over here, get it onto your Pinterest. That's what I'm referring to as 1 to 5 new posts per day. Okay. Now take a look at this here. This is a brand new Pinterest account, not even a week old. I've already got 107 monthly views. Okay. These are the pins that I've done so far. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And every time I do a new blog post, I want to have a pin that goes back to the site. Now, the nice thing I like having a business account, you click on analytics and it'll show, now this isn't a lot, but guess what? This isn't bad. I've had 107 impressions, total audience 2. This is a little small. Okay. And then what else did I have here? Okay. So you can get, you know, figure out which is, you know, which is good. So the affiliate marketing, I've got 98 pins, 35 impressions, 3 pin clicks, 3 engagements, 2 outbound clicks. Now that outbound click is somebody clicking to the outbound. SEO traffic, I've got 19 impressions, 0 pin clicks. Okay. Email marketing, 0 pin clicks. Okay. 0 pin clicks, 1 pin click. But here's the thing, the more you start doing it, now this pin that you have on here, where is that here? Let me go back to it. These pins are forever part of your Pinterest account. They're always going to be there. So as you're sitting there adding more and more repins to the board, this is going to go up over time. Okay, this is going to be, you know, 20,000, 200,000. It's going to keep building. And this is what get you traffic. Now, a lot of people, they're going to jump right in there and they're going to tell you, oh, you don't want Pinterest. You want to, build a sales page or build a landing page, connect it to an autoresponder and go paid traffic. And there's nothing wrong with those types of methods. But you know what? Paid traffic doesn't work in the beginning for one simple reason. You don't have a brand. And by building this affiliate site, and by connecting it with your Pinterest account, you're building a brand. You're building the foundation so you can grow on top of it with other affiliate methods and strategies. But folks, this method works. Okay. And so now, just to kind of recap a little bit here, we've got your site going, we've got your affiliate site built, we've got it connected to your online, so your Pinterest account, your business account, and things are starting to move. Now, there's one other thing I want you to do here, folks, and that's to come over here, click on to settings. And let me just see here. I think it was under account settings. No, it might have been under claim. Okay. And all right. There's one other thing, and I might have to look at that here, but if I go back to there's one thing you want to connect in here, and that's in social. Oh, okay, so here you go. So to confirm your site with Pinterest, click on that. Okay. And okay. So you're gonna take, oh, here we go, Pinterest. So you're gonna click on that to copy it. Okay. And you're gonna come back here, paste it in there. It'll just grab whatever number it needs, then go ahead and hit save changes. So confirm your site with Pinterest, hit the claim, and you're gonna basically click on that to copy it. Just hit continue, follow the prompts in there, come back in here, save that, okay? You are good to go, folks. All right, so this is wrapping up video number 6 on traffic with Pinterest, and hopefully you've kind of gotten a lot out of this site. What kind of time frames can you do? I mean, I've only been doing this for a week now with this particular website or blog, which is the Snap Online Business. I want to grow it. Okay. I want to keep building it. I want to keep adding content to it. I want to keep growing it. But folks, this is fun. Okay. This is exciting because what happens is the next video, I'm going to show you how do you start monetizing it. All right. So hope you enjoyed this. Look forward to catching you in the next video. Thank you.